this secure email update, we will take a look at performing remedial actions on messages in Cisco SecureX threat response. Starting with async.os 14 and SecureX 171, remedial actions are available from the SecureX pivot menu. If the email administrator has already configured their account settings and API connection, the option to delete, forward, or forward and delete will appear as shown when taking action on a Cisco message ID. Reviewing the SecureX module setup for both the ESA and SMA module, there is a new field that requires the remediation forwarding address. Enter the email address that you want to forward all emails remediated with the Initiate Delete, Initiate Forward, or Initiate Forward and Delete option on the SecureX pivot menu. From the SecureX Administration tab, your account scopes should be updated with the feature SMA Remediation Scope as of SecureX 171. Now, let's see what this looks like for the SecureX user. Once we launch Threat Response, we will search for a URL in order to begin our email investigation. Our environment will reference all network and module information available as it tries to determine if this URL has been seen before. Once this is complete, the relations graph populates the data in an easy-to-view format. From the graph section, selecting the Cisco message ID, we can see the options available for remediation. In the details section, selecting the mid and then using the SecureX pivot menu here will provide the same remedial options. For this example, we will select the Initiate Delete action to remove the message from the end user's mailbox. A more detailed example of this process, in a new Investigation tab, we'll take a look at another email with a known malicious URL. Minimizing the screen to show our mail logs and the Outlook client, we can watch real-time as the API call from Cisco SecureX goes to the Secure Email Gateway and removes this from the end-user mailbox. From the Relations graph, we can check the email subject to see that this matches our example above. Once again, from the Cisco message ID, we'll go through and select Initiate Deletion to remove this from the end-user mailbox. Finally, all reporting is handled from the Cisco Secure Email side. Looking at the remediation report, there's a tab for Mailbox Search and Remediate Messages. The batch ID and batch name are provided from the SecureX call and recorded here to show success or failure for the remedial action. Thank you for watching this short Cisco Secure Email update.